Thanksgiving week 2022, the week before I wore myself out tracking and chasing the UP donation train, so I headed down to easy Greenwood on a beautiful day. Barely caught this nice mixed freight coming up, tankers and hoppers, gondolas with pipe, flatbeds with trucks, boxcars, coal cars, and I think I see a very faded Rock Island grainer. It was nice to get a mixed freight because the Creston sub is mostly coal trains. Bunch of them were backed up at Ashland. That's what we're hearing on the radio.
388 on the Creston subdivision between milepost 44.7 and milepost 45.1. Passing the red flag located at milepost 44.7 without stopping. Max authorized speed throughout the limits unless otherwise restricted. Whistling freely for men and equipment.
And another eastbound heading into the Lincoln Yard. Last catch, nice mix of EMD and GE power today. please help me out by subscribing and hitting the bell icon. Give me a thumbs up and leave a comment, and thanks for watching the video.